Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we have another geometric question that can help us further understand how to treat corresponding and alternating angles. As usual, I'll be glad you pause the video, take a look at the question before coming to see my detailed solution. That said, let's get into class. Welcome back. We have this question that wants us to solve for x. Now, if you look at this question carefully, I can see two unique methods of solving this question. In fact, there are multiple methods of solving this question, but I'll use two unique methods. The first will be using the M-shape method, and the second will rely on just alternating and corresponding angles. They are both the same thing. It will result into the same process. Now, let's start with the M-shape method. The first thing I want us to do is to label out the M shape. I'll label my M this way. This is A, B, C, D, and E. That shape gives me my M shape. The first mistake I see students make is not being able to map out the M shape. You must understand the M shape and know how to map it out. Now, the M shape theorem tells us that the angle in the middle, that is this angle here, not the other way around. This angle here, let's call that Y, is the sum of the two angles in the side. Is the sum of the two angles in the side. That is this angle here. Let's call this A and let's call this B. Provided the M shape is formed by the transversals. Now, from the M shape theorem, we can confidently state that our Y will be equals to A plus B. We've been given that our B is equals to 34 degrees, then we must uncover what our A should be. Now, B is equals to 34 degrees from here. You look at A carefully, you see that A and my 45 degrees are alternating angles. So I can tell myself that my A is equals to 45 degrees. That's what? Alternating angles. So that if A is equals to 45 degrees, then Y will be equals to 45 plus 34, which is equals to 70, plus 34, I wrote 35, sorry, which is equals to 79. If Y is equals to 79 degrees, obviously my X plus Y is equals to 360 degrees. That's angle, that's the sum of angle at a point. So that my X now plus Y, that's X plus 79 degrees is equals to 360. X will be equals to 360 minus 79. X obviously is equals to 281 degrees. X is equals to 281 degrees. Now, you've seen how to use the M shape. Now, to the second method, I'll be using just the alternating and the corresponding angles. Let's do that. Now, we're back to our shape. Now, I want to use alternating and corresponding angles. To use alternating and corresponding angles, the first thing I want to do is I just want to draw another line here at the exact point of X here, such that this line is passing through this point and the line is also parallel to these two lines. The line has to be parallel to both lines. Now, if this line is parallel to this line, we know that what we have here is 45 degrees. Then what we have here also is an alternating angles and it's also what? 45 degrees, alternating to this 45. If you trace this line, let's label this. This is A and this is B. This is C. Now, if you look at A, B, and this is D and C, you see that the angle at D, the angle at BDC is alternating, is equals to 45 degrees too. That is an alternating angle. So I can put my 45 degrees here. And same way, the angle C at D, let's call this E, and here is F. C, D, F. That's the angle at D now again. So that CDF will be equals to 34 degrees. It's also alternating. It's alternating. So that here also I have 34 degrees. If you look at this and the M theorem, you see that in both ways we've defined this angle here. Now, so that CD and F, so the angle at D now will automatically be equals to 45 again plus 34, which is equals to 79. Now, and D, the angle at D plus my x degrees is equals to 360. So that x once again is equals to 360 minus 79, which is equals to 281 degrees. Same result, same answer. With this, I hope you now understand how to pick your alternating and corresponding angle and also how to use the M-shape method. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.